Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to show you guys how to write and create social media posts in seconds and post them to all of your social media pages. At the same time, it can create and make a cup of coffee. So say I'm on the marketing tab here at JewelryBox.AI. You want to create a new post. Now, you can connect all your social media pages into one area on the marketing tab. So I have many of them. It picks up on that. And then let's say I wanted to, I didn't want to write my own copy today. I could go right into here and I have the AI content creator right here. I would punch in my prompt of what I want it to do. I can add keywords, Father's Day, what to get dad watches. I can choose what type of tone I want and how many variations of it I want and how long I want. Let's go medium on this and let's do 2 versions. It's going to go ahead and generate them for us. Now this is the copy part of it, so it's writing the post for us for multiple platforms. Really well written. Let's go ahead and grab this one. Let's continue. Well, we need an image. I'll go right here, create image using AI. If I don't have one, I describe my image and I'll ask for 3 of them. And we'll go with photo. You can choose different styles of images and designs. I just told it to create a watch because this is a watch sale. Of course, you could have specific images and things like that, but I did want to show how you create it right in here from the CRM. I mean, this is just outstanding quality, high def images. We'll just pick one. And there we go. We got multiple posts from multiple platforms. And then you can go ahead and add the call to actions and different customizations to each of the social media platforms, such as Google My Business. You can have a book, and you can create certain parameters and customizations. So there it is.